Hello guys, welcome back to another episode in the Order of Minecraft, and today we're going to be playing the Pizza Factory Tycoon in my first ever video in Roblox. I can't do it on the computer because my dad and mom say that it'll give you a virus, so what I'm doing is going on the iPad, and you guys, I'm sorry for all the thumb stuff, and so let's get started with the Pizza Factory. I'm gonna get my keyboard out of the way. And my mouse. Sorry. Okay. Pizza Factory Tycoon. Oh my gosh. And I'm sorry for the lag because this is a really laggy server, so factory, I think that's an open factory over there. Let's go check over it in that. Oh, no, not open factory. I wouldn't get spawned here if there wasn't an open factory. Aha! There we go, there's the open factory. I'm going up here. Hey! Free. Some people just do $0. 150? Are you serious? Pizza. There we go. I just need money. I need money. Come on. 50. Are you serious? I'm not selling these pizzas. I'm not. I promise you. These are square pizzas. I hate square pizzas. Come on. Go in there so I can buy the pizza shaper so I can upgrade it. Boom. Look at this. Okay, ready? Ooh, this upgrade's by 100 cash. Yay. Okay, so 150. What the heck? It just can't. It cuts right there and its cutter's right there. Oh my gosh. I don't get this. I really don't get this. Come on. Pizza, get in there. Pizza. Yes! 600 for cheese adders. How much does this add? 170. Okay, watch. So, this is 50. Now it makes it into 100, so now I get 170 each turn. 575. Ready? Next pizza going. Beep. Yay! Dual topping adder. What is this supposed to mean? Dual. What does dual mean? Dual. Oh, I mean, I know. It's 2. But, come on. 900! I need 900 pieces of money. And, hide. I'm gonna hide that. Come on. Oh, wait, again. Waiting. Oh. How much does this done? 400 cash, and over here, 400 cash. That is so crazy! I don't really like my character. I thought I had a different one. Yeah. Alright. 500. Just waiting. Boom! Oh, it's the oven. Wait, is it sausages and pepperoni? Sausage and pepperoni. Wait, I've been getting sausage. I haven't been getting any pepperoni in a long time. Where's my pepperoni? Give me my pepperoni. Yeah, my pepperoni. Come on. No! I want my pepperoni. I don't want sausage. I want my pepperoni. Wait, what's next? Okay. Oh, that was easy. That was easy. Nope. Kitchen, easy. Cheese pizza diffuser. Sausage pizza. 7 happy. Oh, I have to have 7 happy. Customers. Tables. 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 Windows. Oh wait, somebody's ordering cheese pizza. I didn't know. I just opened. Cheese pizza for you. Yay! Coke dispenser for 2 happy customers! Come on. I'm waiting. Really, you're gonna make me wait? Okay. Chef uniform. Restaurant path. Chef hot. I did not buy that. I did not buy this. I still get it. Wait. I want some balloons. Give me balloons. How dare he? How dare he exit? How dare he exit? Gear platform? Now I can get my own balloons. Balloons. Give me the right money for this. I want my dessert pizza conveyor. Give me it now. Okay, fine. You're gonna make me wait. Oh, wait. Okay, fine. Now you made 2 pieces. Go! I'm going to the happy customer thing. Okay. Alright. 1 second. 1 second. Let me get 2 cheese pizzas. Cheese pizza. Cheese pizza! 2 cheese pizza. Cheese pizza. Ta-da! Banana milkshake dispenser. Yeah, I just want a cheese pizza. Nom 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 nom. Let's go work on my dessert pizza conveyor. Come on. Make those square biscuit. Come on. Yes! Square biscuits! How much do these do? 100. Are you serious? Really? I'm not gonna be your friend because I can't have any friends. Bye. I only can be friends from the people that I know. Nah. Yeah. Ooh, cheese pizza. Thank you. Bye. Bye. duh. I want those biscuit cutters. Thank you. Cremata. Wow. How much extra does this do? Ooh, 200 cash. Oh, yay. Let's go. Get some happy customers. Da, 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 da. Okay, ready? Yes. Go. 5 happy customers. Come on. Banana milkshake. Yes. No, I'm gonna hide this. Give it. 1 happy customers. I need you. Come on, customers! Hey, Trent. What do you want? Banana milkshake. Okay. First, I've got to get the cup. Then put it in. Oh, did it already do it? Yeah, I did. Huh. Okay. Cheese pizza. Okay, here you go. Your cheese pizza. Yeah. I don't need this. No.
When I played this game, guys, I was so like, what do I do? I can't pay him. Here you go. How do I do it?
I am recording. I am recording. Okay, wait. Can I do this? I'm recording. I am recording. Banana milkshake. Okay, coming up. I am recording. Yep. Come on. Do it. Yes! Finally. 7. 8 happy customers.
Work on your place already.
Yes! I get a salsa pizza now. Salsa pizza. 20 happy customers for pepperoni. 12 happy customers for that. Okay. How much money? Entrance. Ta-da. Windows. I do not have a lot of... Ooh. TV. Click. Click. Confirm. Click. 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 Click.
You have to order up.
Yeah, I know. I got it. Okay. Actually, let's do... Wait. Banana milkshake for you.
They always want banana milkshakes.
Here you go.
They're not going to be healthy.
Can I also have sausage pizza? Okay, here's your sausage pizza. 12. I only have 11. Oh, here's another happy customer that I'm gonna do. Cheese. Here's your cheese pizza. Thank you. Boom! Oh, wait, wrong one. Boom! Strawberry milkshake.
Ooh.
Okay, 1 second. I've got it. Gotta go. Game saved. I totally just saved the game.
Huh? Is that yours?
No, that's not my guy. Pull it over. Hello. Bye-bye.
Is that your restaurant place?
What? Save.
Where's your house? Do you have a house?
Yes, I do have a house. This is my house. It's my restaurant.
No, Bradley, there's a house next to you.
That's not my house.
Is that the end of this video?
Let's see how much time. Well, that's the end of our episode. I'll see you in part 2 of the Pizza Factory Tycoon.